We are starting to make the model. Since this is a model, we can see one center line has been passing through here. We can use that as a reference, and using a revolve command, we can make this model easily. This 22 30. That means that wall thickness of this model will be 1 mm. We are using folder part, new file, part file, save first. We save first, then we start. When you check it here, you can see the dimensions of the what are the model it is there. We are using a revolve command, choosing the front plane, and we are using a rectangle. This point, one, this point, point two. If you check this dimension, this is 60. Total here till here 70. Here 6. Here dia 12. Here outer dia 32. So we're giving the dimensions. The border height is there, so the radius will be 16. The height it is 70. We are giving before doing 70, we are making the radius. Fill is 10. We are giving the dimension. You can see R10 outside. R10 outside. Here you can see this dimension of the dia or the link. So the radius will be 6. We're using a current command. We make sure this one is at the okay. The height of this one it is 7, but it is 6. The height also outside. So we're using again 6. And here it is one gap, it is there. To fill that one, connect command we're using connect. The height is 70. We're using here 70. Again we are using the connect command. This one to this plane 70. For further development, we'll be using the trim in this area, and okay, we want to offset all this into 1 mm. You can see here it is everyone having a 1 mm wall thickness. To do that, using offset 1 mm instead of chain single, using whatever the required lines only we're choosing, and click OK, put it inside and escape. This has been made. We want to choose we want to change some lines to the reference line. We are using construction. Unwanted lines we are trimming off first. We want to change the construction line. Axis of solution. Select that one. Return or sketch. That's it. For the development sketch and file. We change construction line to that one. Or we make one missing line here. And okay, this much is sufficient as I believe. Return and finish using powder population. Save instance. Sketch. Chain. Axis of population. This one. Give the 360-degree finish. You can see the model is finished. Hide the sketch. The model has been finished. And you can save this command. Save this file and again save as STL 0.025 tolerance millimeters, surface plane 45-degree, and output file as ASCII. Okay, and save at the default location. Save.